What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious recipe. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a crispy fish sandwich. Yeah, man, listen, I know some of you guys like a nice fish sandwich. Y'all be heading over to McDonald's to get that filet of fish, but listen, that filet of fish ain't got nothing on this one here. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. Let me tell you guys what we have. I have some Panko Bread, hamburger dill chips, Kosher Salt, black pepper, garlic powder, heavy whipping cream, Creole seasoning, Dijon Mustard, Mayo, capers, Brioche Buns, lemons, egg, smoked paprika, Ritz Crackers, and the star of the show, our Red Snapper. Now you can use your choice of whitefish, mahi-mahi, grouper, whatever you guys' preference is. You know I like that Red Snapper. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. So let's start off with our first step, which is making our tartar sauce. And I've measured out the ingredients. So let me tell you what the measurements we have here. So right here, I have 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I have 2 teaspoons of capers. I have a half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of chopped pickles, 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/4 a cup of mayo. Now these are the ingredients, guys, and the measurements. So let's go ahead and prepare our tartar sauce. All right, so grab an empty dish and start adding our mayo, our Dijon mustard, lemon juice, capers, dill pickles, a little salt, and a dash of pepper. And we're gonna give that a good mix like that. This is a delicious blend for tartar sauce. I really enjoy this on my fish sandwiches. So this is what we have. So let's go ahead and move on. Okay, so let's move on to the second step, and this is for the seasoning and the egg wash and the breading of the fish. So right here, what I have 5 to 6 Ritz Crackers. I have 1/4 of a cup of Panko Bread, 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 egg, 1/8 a teaspoon of Creole seasoning, 1/8 of a teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is take our breadcrumbs and crackers, and we're gonna place them in a Ziploc bag like this. And we're just going to give that a shake. And now I'm going to set it aside, and let's continue. So let's move on to the seasoning. Let's take our Creole seasoning and add it to our salt dish, our black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and we're going to give this a good mix. And this is what we have. All right, so the next step, we're going to prepare our egg wash. So let's add our heavy whipping cream, our egg, and give this a quick mix like this. Now that we've brought everything back into the shot, our egg wash, our seasoning, our breadcrumbs, and our fish. Now first, let's start with the seasoning of our fish. So we're gonna take our seasoning like this. We're gonna turn that baby over. Do the same thing on this side. And this is what we have. Let's go ahead and move on. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our fish and we're just gonna drop it in our egg wash like this. Make sure you get it all coated up in that egg wash. So once we get it fully coated in our mixture, we're gonna take off the excess, let it drip off, and we're just gonna add it to our breadcrumbs. And what I like to do is I just like to, just shake it up in here. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out of here. This is what we have. And I'm gonna put it over here on our fryer. I already preheated our fryer to 350 degrees. So let's move over to our fryer. All right, so we are here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to drop this in here. And we're gonna let this cook for about This will probably take about 3 to 5 minutes, maybe not even 5 minutes. And then we're gonna pull it up, all right? Take a look at that, guys. We're gonna leave it in here for probably another 2 minutes. It's almost there. All right, guys, it looks like we are there. Take a look at that beauty right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this rest right here, and we're gonna go ahead and start preparing our buns. I got them over here toasted because I like my buns toasted when I eat these fish sandwiches. So I'm gonna bring them out of our toaster oven, and I'll be right back. All right, so let's start preparing our buns. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take our tartar sauce, and I'm gonna put some here on the bottom, and I'm gonna spread that just like that over the bottom, like that. Now we're gonna come back over here with our pickles. Guys, you can add as many pickles as you like. Some about pickles on a fish sandwich. Oh man, I love it. Love the pickles on a fish sandwich. Now I'm gonna bring our fish back into the mix. Now I add a little Kobe Jack cheese on it, got that all good and melted like that. And now I'm fixing to go a little bit heavy with my tartar sauce on top, like that. And we're gonna put that on there just like that. Take a look at that. Man, that looks delicious. Got them bring it closer to the camera. Look at that, a beauty. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this all set up, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys, the ultimate fried fish sandwich. Man, take a look at this. I know this angle is not really a good angle because you're only seeing the top of the bun. But guys, let me just pick this baby up for you. Look at that. Look at that baby there. Look at that. Man, man, man. Woo! So I can't wait to bite into this. So the measurements and the ingredients are all in the video description below. Go ahead, check it out. If you need the items, of course, click the links. They'll take you straight to Amazon, guys. Pick up that All Wings Everything merch. Check out the new ebook. And until the end, let's go ahead and get into quality control because I'm ready. Let's go. All right, you already know, best part of the show, quality control. Let's take a look at that, babies. Man, 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 that tartar sauce looks so good, man. That fish looks delicious. So what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna cut into it, man, and halving it up. Let's take a look at that. Woo. Oh man. Y'all ready? Let's go. Man, that tartar sauce. I knew that tartar sauce was gonna be hitting. I'm telling you, I knew it was. It can get a little messy. Wow. Take a look. This is delicious. And get my napkin. The breading from the crackers and the Panko bread. Oh man. Good. So definitely a recipe you want to try. Check the video description. Check out all the ingredients. You probably already have these in your house. Get the ebook. Get the merch. Join the membership on my channel. That's one way you can support what I'm doing, guys. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.